Hello friends, we are back with question number 15 of December 2019. So in this question, it's basically a question of air pollution abatement technology, which asks, so this question number 15 is asking that which of the following particulate control devices, particulate matter means it is talking about the dust or aerosol, has the lowest poorest removal efficiency for particle in the submicronic size range. Means it is asking that for submicron particle or the small particles, right, which one is having the poor efficiency, right? So you know that fabric filter or the bag filter, they are most efficient, almost 99.9%. And some of the books also write it most efficient devices, but their maintenance is costly and they are quite delicate. That's why it is very difficult to handle them. But efficiency wise, they are maximum, followed by electrostatic precipitator ESP, right, which is around 98 to 99%, right. Then we have scrubbers, which are also in the range of 90%, right. So if you talk about because scrubbers is also used for like scrubber can be used for gases as well as particulate matter, and if you see the efficiency of scrubber, it is in between 90 to 98% somewhere. For gaseous particle it is less, like from 30 to 60%. And then comes to cyclone is even lesser, right, 89% efficiency. So cyclone is the correct answer here because they are asking about the least or the poorest. So they are asking poorest means सबसे minimum किसका है, right? So cyclone will be the correct answer. So third is the correct answer, which is our cyclone. Okay. So third is the correct answer. Cyclone is having the poorest removal efficiency for these particles. Now let's see some of the detailed explanation about this question. So you know that industry emit a lot of dust particles. So industrial setting air pollution control equipment is an umbrella term referred to the equipment and system used to regulate and eliminate the emission of potentially hazardous substances. So there could be particulate matter or there could be gases which are produced during the manufacturing process, right? And then these control equipment application have a lot of variety, like you can have the following process where these pollutants are produced. Combustion process are there which are destroying the pollutant. Then we have conversion process which chemically change the pollutant to less harmful compounds. And then we have collection process, removing the pollutant from the waste air before it released into the environment and atmosphere. So the category of like how to neutralize these pollutants we have divided into categories, and then we have different sort of devices. A lot of devices are there, so we'll discuss about them. For examples, we have scrubbers, right? Wet scrubber and dry scrubber. We have air filters, such as bag filters. We have cyclone. We have electrostatic precipitator. Then we have these devices, such as. Then we have these devices, such as mist collector, right? Then we have mist collector, incinerator, catalytic reactor, biofilter. So these kind of devices can be used to control the emissions from the industries. Then we have scrubber and scrubber, dry scrubber are there, wet scrubber are there, cyclones are there as asked in the exam. Then we have electrostatic precipitator, which is quite efficient and it can remove. And we have fabric filter or bag filter, which is almost 99.9% efficiency, the bag filters, right? Bag filter or the fabric filters, which are mentioned here. Then there are other devices also. So this was about question number 15, and hope you understand it well and hope you enjoying these solutions. Keep working hard, keep learning the subject. Thank you guys.